Friends, today's topic in constructor in Java. In Java, a constructor is a block of codes similar to the method. It is called when an instance of the class is created. At the time of calling constructor, memory for the object is allocated in the memory. It is a special type of method which is used to initialize the object. Every time an object is created using the new keyword, at least of constructor in is called. It calls a difficult constructor is there is no constructor available in the class. In such case, Java compiler provides a default constructor by default. There are two types of constructor in Java. Number one, arch constructor and parameter constructor. Note, it is called constructor because is construct the values at the time of object creations. Rules of creating Java constructor. There are two rules defined for the constructor. Constructor name must be the same as its class name. A constructor must have number explicit return type. A Java constructor cannot be abstract, static, final, and type of Java constructor. There are two types of constructor in Java: default constructor, number edge constructors, and parameterized constructors. Java default constructor. A constructor is called default constructor when it doesn't have any parameters. Example for default constructor is this example we are creating the number arch constructor is the by class. It will be involved at the time of object creations. What is the purpose of a default constructor? The default constructor is used to provide the default values to object like 0, null depending on the type. Example of default constructor that display the default values. Explanations are the above class. You are not creating any constructor to compile provides you default constructor. Here of 0 or null values provided by default constructor. Java parameterized constructor. A Java which has a special number of parameters is called a parameterized constructor. Phi use the parameterized constructor. The parameterized constructor is used to provide different values to distinct object where you can provide the same value. Also, constructor overloading in Java. In Java, a constructor is like a method. Constructor. Thanks, guys.